How to add payment method in Shein. To add payment option on Shein, open up your Shein application and make sure that you're logged into your account. From the main home page, select the category of the product you'd like to purchase and then find the product from the list and select it. Now, tap the Add to Cart button at the bottom in order to add the product in your shopping bag. Select the size if available and then select the quantity of the product and tap on Add to Cart. Once you add the product in the shopping bag, simply click it open by tapping the shopping cart icon at the top right and then tap the checkout button at the bottom right. In the order confirmation page, you'll need to enter your address, shipping method, and after you do that, head over to the payment method section. Now, choose your preferred payment method such as PayPal, a credit or a debit card, Afterpay, Apple Pay, Venmo, and Cash App. Select any one between the payment methods available on the display and then tap on it. In my case, I'm gonna select the credit or debit card option. Select your option and then it'll take you to a new page. Select one of your payment method you'd like to use and in order to add a credit or a debit card, tap on this Add a New Card link on the right corner. Now, enter your card number, the expiration date for the card, and then the CVV code in this pop-up. After you are done, tap on Confirm at the bottom and you'll be able to add a payment method in Shein. Simply select your payment method and fill in the required details and then you'll be able to add a payment method. Once you add a payment method, you can use it in order to make a purchase from Shein. Tap on the Place Order button at the bottom right after you are done selecting your payment method and you'll be good to go. That is how you can easily add a payment method in Shein. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.